Today in Granny's Kitchen, we're going to make tuna rice. You don't need many ingredients. You need 2 tins of tuna, either in oil or spring water, 1 tin of sweet corn, also drain that. And we're going to use maybe about half of an onion if it's one that size, and maybe about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Basically, I cooked 2 cups of long grain rice, and that's the cup size that I've used because I have a rice cooker. And it makes your rice perfect every time. But you can also cook it in the microwave or boil it in a pan. So this is the long grain rice that I've cooked earlier. It does make quite a lot, and that was 2 small cups. I think I'll salt it first of all. It's quite a good point at which to salt your rice. I'm going to add the chopped onion. And again, it's really to your taste, but half of a large onion or a small onion is probably enough for this recipe. I'm just mixing in the onion really well. And then to that, I'm adding the 2 tins of tuna. I actually prefer it with tuna in sunflower oil, but this one's actually in spring water, but it really doesn't matter. So mix in the tuna really well to the rice, and then add your tin of sweet corn. And it's a great salad recipe. A friend of mine, when we stayed on Islay, actually gave me this recipe one day, and we've made it ever since. So it looks rather nice. Now to that, we're going to add maybe about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and you stir that through, and you can actually add a little mayonnaise on the side if you wish. Place it in the fridge and it will keep up to 3 days or so. It's really handy for things like packed lunches. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And the recipe can be downloaded from my Facebook group in the files area.